Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two things. You can sign into Namecheap and into your hosting control panel. Once signed in, locate the hosting name servers or the server IP address, copy them exactly because spelling matters. Next, in Namecheap, go to Domain List and click Manage on the domain. Make sure you select Custom DNS and paste the hosting name servers, or keep default and prepare to edit DNS records. Proceed now. Don't pause, make the change and save. Once done with name servers or choosing to use Namecheap DNS, open Advanced DNS. You'll add in a record pointing to your hosting IP and a CNAME for www that points to your root domain. Make sure there are no duplicate or CNAME entries that conflict, delete extras. Adjust TTL to a low value like 300 seconds for faster propagation while testing. If your host gave specific records, MX, TXT for email, add those now so mail and verification keep working. You finish by verifying propagation. Run dig or nslookup for a and NS records and use propagation checks. Remember, DNS can take up to 48 hours, but often much sooner. Once the domain resolves, enable SSL in your hosting panel and force HTTPS so visitors land securely. If it doesn't work, clear browser and DNS cache, recheck the IP and name server entries for typos, and confirm hosting is configured to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.